Nepali language. Now I will call some students' name. Anupreet Kaur, 4th class. Anureet Kaur, 5th class. Davinder Kaur, 7th class. Ramanpreet Kaur, 8th class. Satvinder Kaur, 6th class. Now these students will convert some sentences into Nepali language. First sentence is hello. Namaskar. Very good. Namaskar. Next is what is your name?
भाई को नाम के हो
Excellent. तपाई को नाम के हो. Repeat again. तपाई को नाम के हो. Next is my name is Davinder Kaur.
मेरा नाम सुंदर हो
Very good. Next sentence is how are you?
भाई कसम हनुमाई
Very good. Tapai kasto hanu hunshu. Tapai kasto hanu hunshu. Next is I am fine. Very good. Ma sanche shu. Repeat again. Ma sanche shu. Thank you and have a nice day.